In this video, you will learn how to use ventilator and fan correctly. And you will also practice using ventilator and fan. Additionally, in the description, there's a link to the worksheet that accompanies this video. You can download the worksheet to keep all the information that's in the video. What's this? Is it A, a ventilator, or B, a fan? If you think it's a ventilator, then I'm afraid you're using the wrong word. This is a fan. So, we can say,
Alexa, turn on the fan.
Okay.
Or, I tried to turn off the fan, but the chain broke. We can also use fan as a verb, to fan. So, we can say, it was really hot, so I fanned myself. Here, this man is fanning himself with a hat. This woman is also fanning herself. What's she fanning herself with? It's a fan. This is also called a fan. So, if this is a fan and this is a fan, what's a ventilator? Use the context of the following sentences to help you choose the correct meaning of ventilator. My friend's in hospital with COVID. It's so bad that the doctors have put her on a ventilator. Is a ventilator A, a machine that moves air around a room, or B, a machine that breathes for a person? If you chose B, then you're correct. Well done! A ventilator is a machine that breathes for a person. The verb form is to ventilate. So, we can say, the machine is ventilating the patient. Or even, the doctor is ventilating the patient. Because ventilation is something that can be done by hand as well as by a machine. If you find this video about the difference between ventilator and fan useful, subscribe to my channel so that you can get all my latest videos about other aspects of English that you might be confused about. Pause the video and do this next practice exercise. Then, play the video again to see the answers. Here come the answers. Practice using ventilator and fan more by writing sentences in the comments. If you like this video, check out this playlist of other English words that you might be using incorrectly. Alternatively, watch this video, which I also think you'll love. Good luck with your English!
Alexa, turn off the fan.
Okay.